Look at this healthy and tasty meal. Let's start by slicing 2 tomatoes like this. Take a green bell pepper, remove the core, and cut the rest into strips. Do the same with a red bell pepper. Now in the skillet, add olive oil to taste. Add a sliced onion and the bell peppers. Stir. Now add the tomato slices, placing them side by side, covering the entire top like this. Next, crack 5 eggs over the tomatoes. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Cover and let it cook for just 4 minutes. After that time, it will look more or less like this. Now cover it with grated mozzarella. Be generous. To finish, add oregano, which couldn't be missed. Let it finish cooking and it's ready. Here is the result of this delicious combination of vegetables with eggs, full of color and flavor. Feeling tempted to try it? Then you know what to do. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel to follow more recipes like this, easy and healthy. Comment below what you thought of this idea and which recipe you'd like to see here. We're signing off for now and see you next time.